This is the longest lived civilization on Earth. Australian Aboriginal people were growing food in sympathy with the land in a really sustainable way and had really good science to back it up. It wasn't an accident, it was agricultural science. I'm Bruce Pascoe. I wrote a book called Dark Emu about the old people's knowledge. I'm on Yuin country. I'm a Yuin man, and on this land we grow the old people's food, the way the old people grew it, so that we can harvest these foods and produce the flour that makes the bread that the old people made. We're really lucky to be continuing this old story, because it's a story of peace and it's a story of conservation. Aboriginal people in Australia have been grinding grain into flour for at least 35,000 years, compared to the first in the Middle East doing it 16,000, 17,000 years ago. Australians were the first bakers. Every Australian should know that we invented bread. We should be proud of it. We should tell the world this old story of conservation of the earth. And here we are eating our food made from burul naluk, the old people's grass. We're eating our history. I can't tell you how important it is to think of country first. If people are listening to that story, then they're going to be more receptive to care for the planet, so that we can all continue to live here, all of us.